Hello everyone, and welcome to Power Pages Tips. My name is Nicholas Hayduke, and this is tip number 269, AI-generated website with Copilot. In our last tips, we looked at using AI to generate text on a web page, and an entire page. But what about generating an entire website using AI? We can do this using Copilot at make.powerpages.microsoft.com. When you hit the main page of make.powerpages.microsoft.com, assuming you have the ability and capacity to create more sites, you'll see an area to start building your website with Copilot. Enter some text that describes the site you want, and then click the Send button. Next, you'll be presented with a suggested name and URL for your site. Make changes if you wish, and then click Next to continue. Now, you'll see an option for the home page layout. If you like what you see, click Next. Otherwise, you can click Try Again to have Copilot give you another option. You can also edit your description if you think providing Copilot with other information might yield a better result. When satisfied, click Next. In the last step, you'll be presented with additional content page options for your site. Select as many as you'd like to include. Hit the Done button to generate your site. One thing to note is that depending on what you ask for, you may see Copilot generate pages that have input fields on them. It is important to note that these are not functioning forms. Instead, they are just HTML layout examples. So you'd either need to replace those with Power Pages forms after the site is generated, or use JavaScript and the Web API to make them functional. When using Copilot to generate a website, it only produces HTML and CSS for those additional pages. It doesn't create any functionality that interacts with data in Dataverse. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found the Power Pages tip number 269 on AI-generated website with Copilot useful.